y'all, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead, and today we're going to make a delicious meal out on the fire. We've got to prep and get some things going. So today we're going to make pineapple bacon hamburgers and pineapple bacon baked beans. Okay, so this week on the Big Bear Homestead, we're doing everything about pigs. So I thought it would be really cool to do some recipes where we use nothing other than bacon, right? Our favorite part of the pig, or at least most of everybody's favorite part of the pig. So today we're going to do a bacon pineapple hamburger, and we're going to do bacon pineapple baked beans. Pretty simple to make. All you need is ground beef, barbecue sauce. Then you need some pineapple rings. You can either get canned or fresh, whichever you prefer. And then some bacon strips, which in this recipe, which is great, you don't have to cook. You're going to cook them on the grill. So it's fairly simple to do. As far as the baked beans go, same kind of concept. We're going to have baked beans. And I like to get the vegetarian baked beans only because we're going to be adding bacon to them. So I know you can't ever have enough bacon, but you kind of get the tastes crossed between having fresh bacon that you've cooked versus the canned bacon that's been in the can for a while. So we like to do the vegetarian baked beans. Get some bacon, cook it up real quick. You only need a few strips, and chop that up. And then all we're going to do is basically throw it all together and take everything out to the grill. Okay, so the burger is fairly simple. Just take your favorite burger recipe. Mix your burger together, and then I'll show you in just a minute how we're going to assemble those and put them straight onto the grill. You'll just put your pineapple ring on top, and then you're going to take 2 strips of bacon, and you're going to wrap it around one side and then wrap it around the other so you'll crisscross those on the burger. Now, as far as the baked beans go, I want to go ahead and get those ready inside here because we're going to take them out onto the grill and let them cook on one of our cast iron skillets, and it'll evenly cook so that we can have everything done all at one time. So the very first thing you're going to need is baked beans. So go ahead and pour the baked beans in. Okay. And then add in your brown sugar. And then just a little bit of crushed pineapple. And some of the juice. You can add ketchup and mustard if you'd like. Some people like it to be a little tangy like that. I kind of just want to do the sweet because we're going to have the contrast of the burger for our meal. So not really worried about the ketchup and mustard, but you can put that in there if you'd like. And the last thing, of course, bacon. So you put the bacon in. And then just kind of stir it around, and then we're going to take it and put it straight onto the grill. Okay, so here we are out at the fire. It's time to put our baked beans on and our burgers. So here's the baked beans. I'm going to go ahead and put these over here. And then we had 2 burgers that we didn't have enough bacon for everything, so we're just going to put those straight on. Be very mindful of the ones with the bacon on them. You can put toothpicks on these if you want. We didn't have them, so we're just being very careful. And just go ahead and put them straight onto the grill. Walk away and let them cook. And we'll see you in a little bit when they're done. Okay, so the burgers are done, so are the baked beans, and now it's time for us to sit down and enjoy it. Thank you for coming by. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell. You can also follow us on social media. We've got Instagram, Twitch, Pinterest, and a whole bunch of other things. And we'll hope to see you next time.